We wanted to show just how eco-friendly oil out is, so we watered plants with oil out for 3 months to see what would happen. We planted some garlic chive seeds and got a small geranium and sunpatiens plant that had not yet bloomed. We made an oil out solution by diluting 1 part oil out concentrate with 6 parts water and watered the plants with this for 3 months, refilling the solution as needed. Watch for yourself and see how safe oil out is, even when it's directly sprayed on a variety of plants. Oil out is a powerful, eco-friendly solution that breaks down oil, grease, and hydrocarbon-based waste safely and effectively. Unlike typical degreasers, oil out is made up of organic microbes rather than harmful chemicals, which allow these plants to thrive. So when it comes to using oil out to clear up an outdoor stain, you can rest assured that nearby vegetation and plants won't be affected. Oil out is made in Canada, biodegradable, non-toxic, and safe for the environment. To learn more or shop oil out, click the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.